Welcome to HND 2019. It's an honor to introduce my co-MC for the weekend, Miss Kajua Gongtong. Kajua is a sister. She is a two-term former school board member in St. Paul Public Schools. She's the founder of HEART, which is Hmong Education Resource Today Fair, the largest resource fair in Minnesota for the past 18 years. She is a champion currently. She is the chief administrative officer of one of 5 Hmong charter schools in Minnesota.
Be bold and unleash your potential. Be bold and unleash your potential. I mean, you are in the game of showing the baby more there. Baby, it's a new home, baby, more control, baby, not become a gun, or baby, more home chocolate. You had your mom got to see a bit of more a gun in the moment chocolate. You baby, not a little better, more gave up, man, more gave them Jerry. Baby, it's a new home, she boy and shooting through on the gate of Judy, the gates and Jerry. So that is what being bold and unleash your potential is all about.
Yummy bibimbap with duck dangali.
We don't have integrated curriculum to teach our kids about Hmong history, Hmong culture, and why Hmong people come to America. So I started working with a
So just got done with the first official day or first full day of HND. I am so tired. All the sessions that I went to today was so interesting. I loved every one of them today. Unfortunately, the only downfall of HND is that they have so many interesting sessions that they're offering, but a lot of them are all at once. Like a lot of them fall within the same time frame, so then I can't clone myself to be at every one of them that I would like to be, so I have to narrow it down or choose one to go to during those sessions that they do have them. Other than that, every one of them that I did go today was very interesting and I loved it.
Much as clearly the oldest person in this room here, you don't know how thrilling it is for me to talk to such a younger audience. Thank you. Hopefully you're not a captive audience. Thank you for inviting me. It's really a privilege to be here. Well, I can't begin to know your community's journey. As a third-generation Japanese American whose ancestors immigrated in the U.S. to the U.S. over 100 years ago, I can tell you that there are parallels between the struggles that the Hmong community has endured and the Asian American experience in general. While the theme of this conference is Be Bold, Unleash Your Potential, I would also add to this theme, you are not alone.
Cultural, political, social, economical, but I always
want to banquet. Duck dangali right here. A lot of people still coming in. We're at H-Mart.
sorry,
Duck dangali shopping. It's her first time at H-Mart. She loves it, just like me. I love it too. So today was the last day of HND. Technically it's tomorrow, but tomorrow they just have brunch, so no workshop or anything. So I loved it. Today's sessions were on point for me. I loved every single sessions that I went to. It like clicked with what I was so interested in, which is healthcare, educating, outreach, and all that stuff. So I felt like it was very, very, very interesting. Lots of things I would like to bring back to Fresno, but let's see how it goes. But yeah, we're gonna go back to school. Spring break's gonna be over, and we're going back to 2 exams. So I need to study.